In this video, we will be changing the filter on a diesel dispensing tank. This is a common exercise as part of an annual service on a refueling diesel tank. We will be using our Groz filter replacement kit and replacement bowl to service our diesel tank in our yard. Firstly, you will need to drain some of the fuel from the filter to about halfway to ensure there are no fuel spills. Use the drain tap at the bottom of the filter to drain the fuel into a bucket placed underneath. Drain the filter until it's around half empty. There are two options for this next step. Option 1. Use the filter strop wrench to remove the filter bowl when it is still attached to the pump. This depends on if you have enough room in the tank to do this. Option 2. If you are unable to remove the bowl whilst still attached to the pump, then remove the filter using a filter wrench at the connection point. Ensure the pump is switched off at the mains. Once the filter is disconnected from the pump, drain the rest of the fuel out into the bucket. Now the filter has drained, use the filter strop wrench to remove the bowl from the filter head. Screw off the bowl and the filter element inside. Use the metal rod to remove the O-ring from the filter head. Screw in the new element onto the filter head. Ensure not to cross-thread the plastic thread when installing. Next, grab the new filter bowl and O-ring. Place the new O-ring onto the top of the thread on the new bowl. Use the grease provided and coat the O-ring. Use plenty of grease and ensure it is fully coated. Screw the new bowl back into the filter head. Use the filter strop wrench to tighten the bowl. This needs to be tight. Screw back on the filter to the fuel box or pump if it was removed. Ensure this is leak tight. Turn the pump back on and test for leaks. If you have any technical queries on this video, please contact our technical sales team and they will be able to troubleshoot any problems over the phone.